Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open the Porsche 911 engine compartment. First, find the release lever, usually located in the driver's side door jamb. Give it a firm pull. You'll hear a distinct click as the latch disengages. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine. Once unlatched, you can proceed to the rear of your Porsche to complete the opening process. It's quite straightforward. The release lever is designed to be easily spotted, often in a bright color like red or yellow. You'll find it positioned quite low, usually near the floor, within the driver's side door jamb. When you pull it, listen for that satisfying click. That sound confirms the primary latch has released, making the next step possible. It's a simple yet effective mechanism. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, imagine listening to your favorite tunes while working on your car. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic addition to any garage or home. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the engine cover is unlatched, walk to the rear of your Porsche. You'll notice the cover is slightly ajar. Gently lift it upwards. Depending on your specific 911 model, there might be a prop rod to secure the cover in the open position. Always ensure it's fully supported and stable before you begin any inspection or work. Safety first. Before opening the engine compartment, always ensure your Porsche 911 is parked on a level and stable surface. It's also crucial to let the engine cool down completely to avoid burns from hot components. For any specific details or variations unique to your model year, always consult your owner's manual. It's your best resource for accurate information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.